So Baba Ijesha is going to the court right now, and I'll be taking you through. Baba Ijesha is on white cardigan with hood, as you can see him.
Move.
This is Baba Ijesha.
Move.
Sorry. So this is Baba Ijesha wearing a white hood and a nose mask.
Leave the road. Madam, I'll kick you.
That's Baba Ijesha with a white hood, covering his head with a nose mask. So that was Baba Ijesha entering the court, and he was wearing a white hood and nose mask. We are still live at the Special Offense Court in Ijesha. And earlier we spoke to Mr. Yomi Fabi and the judge, who said he only came here to observe. We saw Baba Ijesha being led out with some other suspects, and he was wearing a white hood with a nose mask. And we are still live at the court and would wait till the end of the judgment before we come back on this live. For more updates and information, put on your notification. And this is Punch Newspaper. Thank you so much. My name is Adebimpe Olajiga.